Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matthew and this is... Now, if you're a fan of superbikes, today's a special day because we're diving deep into one of the most iconic motorcycles of all time, the Suzuki Hayabusa. That's right, we're going to talk about the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R. The latest iteration of this legendary machine. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Before we dive into the specifics of the 2025 model, let's take a quick trip down memory lane to understand what makes the Suzuki Hayabusa so legendary. When it was first released in 1999, the Hayabusa made a massive impact on the motorcycle world. It wasn't just a bike. It was a statement. Known for its raw power, futuristic design, and speed, it quickly earned a reputation as the fastest production motorcycle in the world, and to this day, it still holds a place in the hearts of enthusiasts everywhere. The Hayabusa name is synonymous with performance, and Suzuki has continued to refine and perfect it over the years. Each new model brings improvements in technology, design, and performance, while still keeping that original Hayabusa essence alive. The 2025 Hayabusa GSX1300R is no exception. It combines a rich legacy with cutting-edge technology, and we're going to break it all down for you today. Now, let's talk about the design. The Hayabusa is a bike that commands attention, and the 2025 version is no different. The moment you lay eyes on it, you'll notice the familiar aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance, but with some subtle changes that give it a more modern, refined look. The front of the bike features sharp, angular headlights that look more aggressive than ever, while the tail section has been reworked to provide a more dynamic look without compromising the aerodynamic performance. The bodywork is sleek, with a flowing design that's both stylish and functional. It's clear that Suzuki has focused on improving aerodynamics for better top-end performance and stability. If you've been following the Hayabusa over the years, you'll notice the silhouette hasn't strayed too far from the original, but the details make all the difference. There's an integrated, updated front fairing, new side panels, and a more refined rear end that not only enhances the bike's aesthetic, but also improves the overall weight distribution. The new color options for 2025 are stunning as well, with some special edition variants that really make this machine stand out. Now let's talk about the heart of the Hayabusa, its engine. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GS1300R is powered by the same 1340cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine that's made the Hayabusa a powerhouse on the road. But don't let that familiarity fool you. This engine has been fine-tuned to deliver more power, better efficiency, and smoother performance than ever before. The engine is capable of producing around 190 horsepower, with torque figures that make this bike an absolute beast in terms of acceleration. The 2025 Hayabusa is capable of reaching speeds well above 180 mph, putting it firmly in the realm of super-fast machines. Suzuki has worked on improving the bike's power delivery for smoother throttle response and better low-end torque, which gives it more usable power across the entire rev range. This makes the 2025 Hayabusa not only a rocket on the straights, but also an enjoyable ride in the city and on twisty roads. The performance upgrades don't just stop at the engine. The exhaust system has been designed to optimize power delivery, and the new system helps the bike pass the latest emission regulations while still maintaining that signature Hayabusa growl. And yes, it sounds just as mean as it looks. If you're looking for top-end performance, the 2025 Hayabusa doesn't disappoint. but it's also been designed to be a bit more rideable for those long highway cruises and daily commutes, something that many superb bikes struggle with. Of course, speed isn't the only thing that matters on a motorcycle. Handling is just as important, and here's where Suzuki has made some great strides with the 2025 Hayabusa. The chassis has been updated with a more refined leather for the more impressive aluminium twin-spar frame, which is lighter and stiffer than before, giving the bike improved stability at high speeds and better cornering ability. It's the kind of frame that can handle the immense power of this bike without feeling twitchy or unstable. The suspension has also received an update, with fully adjustable Showa suspension at both the front and rear. This allows for a more customizable ride, and the improved suspension system makes the Hayabusa feel more planted when tackling those tight corners or hitting high-speed straightaways. Suzuki has focused on improving ride comfort as well, so the Hayabusa doesn't just shine on the track, but is also usable as a daily rider. Another key improvement is the braking system. The Hayabusa is equipped with Brembo-style disc brakes, which offer better stopping power and control. You'll find a twin-disc setup in the front and a single disc in the rear, both of which provide excellent performance in emergency braking situations or under heavy cornering forces. Area where the 2025 Hayabusa shines is its technology. Suzuki has made sure to pack the Hayabusa with the latest tech, making it not only faster and more powerful, but also safer and more rider-friendly. For starters, the instrument cluster has been updated to a fully digital setup, which provides real-time information about the bike's performance, including speed, tachometer, fuel consumption, and trip data. The new display is more intuitive than ever, and the layout has been optimized for quick reading, whether you're on a fast stretch of highway or riding through city traffic. Another major addition is Suzuki's Advanced Rider Assistance System, Kishi's Joto CJ2, which includes a suite of features designed to enhance safety. Some of these features include security limit, pedal stall sound limit, cornering ABS, quick shield, lunge control, even when pushing it to the limit. Now let's talk comfort. For a superbike, the Hayabusa is actually surprisingly comfortable, especially for longer rides. The seat has been redesigned with more padding, and the foot peg position is optimized for a more relaxed riding posture compared to some more aggressive superbikes. The handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on your arms and wrists, and Suzuki has improved the windscreen for better wind protection at high speeds, which is important when you're riding a bike that can go well over 180 mph. If you plan on taking long-distance rides, the Hayabusa has been designed to make those trips more enjoyable without compromising performance. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R is expected to have a starting price of around $18,000 in the US market, which is in line with other high-performance superbikes. However, depending on your location and the variant you choose, the price could vary slightly. There will also be special edition models available, which may come with exclusive paint jobs and additional features. Suzuki has already started rolling out the 2025 Hayabusa in select markets, and it's expected to hit dealerships in full force in the coming months. So if you've been dreaming of owning one of these iconic machines, now might be your chance. So, to sum it up, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R is a stunning example of how a legendary motorcycle continues to evolve while maintaining its iconic status. It offers a perfect balance of power, comfort, and technology, making it a true marvel in the world of superbikes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me YouTube channel.